Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And while this is not going to be the largest snowstorm this winter season, of course, the blizzard tops that, it is very significant because it does come with wind that's very strong, or will become very strong, along with extreme cold. So high impact regardless, and we'll show you the amounts in just a second. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar looking good. Of course, it is bitterly cold, but at least it's dry and clear. Of course, the sunshine really not doing too much to help the temperatures, which are running, at least the wind chills were running well below zero. So heading out tonight, it looks okay in terms of that. Now, for Saturday, the morning starts off dry, light snow by the afternoon hours. It becomes heavier snow and wind at night and during the overnight. Now, for Sunday, it is a windswept heavy snow, especially during the morning. A lot of blowing and drifting, poor visibility, gusts in that 40 to 55 mile per hour range. It does end by late day, so unlike the blizzard, which was around for a while, this one should be moving out by late Sunday afternoon. The early call on this is 6 to 10 inches, but I will show you a more detailed accumulation map in just a second. Skies are clear in Providence. That's it, only 16, feels like 3, and the wind chills will dip a little below zero shortly during the evening hours. The air is very dry. Humidity now coming in at 27%. Worcester at 9, mid-teens everywhere. So obviously, with the cold air in place, this is going to be an all-snow situation. And there's more reservoirs of extreme cold air to our north. In fact, even though it's very cold right now, when the storm is leaving Sunday evening, Sunday night, behind it, the wind will be howling. And even colder, very extreme air will follow in behind as it comes in succession. You see one area on top of us now, another one reloading up in Canada. That'll come down Sunday night into Monday. So temperatures next 5 to 7 days running well below average. Satellite photo shows skies are nice and clear with dry winds taking over right now. Temperatures in the teens and heading down into the single digits. Take a look at Futurecast hour by hour, starting off this evening and beyond. You see the clear weather and the numbers dropping down into the single digits. Wind chills a little below zero. Tomorrow morning, 6, 7 a.m., perhaps some partial sun. Clouds taking over. It's still dry. And notice the clock. Noontime. You're heading out running some errands. Getting grocery store. Still fine. But by mid to late afternoon, you start to see more blue. This is 3 o'clock, snow showers. But watch how widespread and steady it becomes by 7 o'clock and beyond. And that's when we'll start to get into some steadier accumulations. How much snow? These will be the final totals by a Sunday afternoon. Statewide, 6 to 10, including Bristol County and out towards New Bedford. Further to the west, out in central Connecticut, 4 to 6. I would say from roughly Taunton through the Boston area and through southeastern Massachusetts on the order of 10 to 15. The strongest wind and the heaviest snow will be realized in this area, and that's why the blizzard warning is in effect for eastern Massachusetts. So a cold, dry start tomorrow morning. And then during the afternoon, the light snow kicking in. I'm thinking sometime after 3 o'clock, temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So for Saturday night, I would say by 10 o'clock in the evening, we have 2 to 4 inches of snow on the ground. The wind really starts to pick up. On Sunday morning, the wind is howling 40, 50 miles per hour. Even when the snow stops late in the day, there'll be still a lot of blowing and drifting of the snow. Frigid on Monday, and we'll be dealing with more snow in the late Tuesday, early Wednesday timeframe. Perhaps a second storm system, but the pattern remains very active. And look at the temperatures all week long, running well below average. Daytime highs, teens and 20s, and at times the nighttime temperatures running below zero. So we're dry now through about, let's say, 1, 2 o'clock. Tomorrow afternoon. 6 to 10 inches of snow. I mean, we've certainly seen worse, but when you throw in winds of 40, 50 miles per hour, it's pretty bad as far as travel, so be careful.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
All right. More coverage.